Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sapna and today I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and I asked you guys on Instagram stories if you want me to do a wet and wild first impression and review kind of makeup tutorial, and a lot of you guys said a yes to it. So today's makeup look, which is this one, is created by using a lot of products from Wet n Wild, and once again I have taken inspiration for this look from my outfit that I'm wearing. So it's a very pretty, I'll show you, a champagne gold kind of a makeup outfit with some sequins here on the collar. So I just took inspiration from my outfit today because I am doing the inspired makeup series on my channel where I take inspiration from anything around me and curate makeup looks. So if you guys are interested in watching this tutorial, then please stay tuned. And before I start the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't, and please click that little bell icon so that you're notified of all my latest videos. Share this video, show it a thumbs up, leave your comments, and now let's begin. Guys, I'll first start by spraying this Wow makeup mist on my face, and then I just prime my face using the Makeup Studio primer. I did not have the Wet n Wild primer, but I will surely get it and try it and let you guys know. Now I'm going to first prep my eyes and cover my dark circles using the Savannah Correct and Contour palette. Now I have the Wet n Wild concealer with me, which I will use later, but I did not have it at that time when I recorded this video. Now using this foundation from Wet n Wild, it's a liquid foundation, I am going to apply it on my face. Now this foundation is not like 100% full coverage foundation, but definitely it's buildable, so it gives you a decent amount of coverage, which I think is a great thing, and it's very easily blendable. Just use a beauty blender or a makeup brush, foundation brush, and you can blend it. So this is how the foundation looks like. A little light on my face, but we will definitely tone it down. Now using the Makeup Revolution Conceal, I think it's called the Conceal and Correct if I'm not wrong. This one is number C6. This is an amazing concealer, and I also have their contour shade. I'm going to highlight and contour my face. So first I'm just highlighting all the high points and pretty much the areas which I want to conceal further, and using my damp beauty sponge, I'm going to just blend it into my skin. Then I'm using this shade in C16, and this is like very pigmented, so just apply a little bit of it and contour my basically the parts of my face which I want to contour, like my hollows of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, a little bit on the temple, and then again using my damp beauty sponge. This one is a smaller size sponge, it's just a local brand, but it works well, and you guys can see how pigmented, insanely pigmented this one is. So just blend it well into your skin. So if you end up applying extra product, or if you think it's way too pigmented, just blend it out nicely. Just take your time and blend it. It will all look nice and seamless, and then of course you can set it and tone it down using powders. Now I am going to blend the color on my nose, and for that I'm using a slightly fluffy blending brush because I think that will work best, and then just blend it out using my fingers. Now to clean my contour, I'm just going back with the concealer in C6 once again and applying it, and also applying a little bit on that cheek because I think my contour shade got a little mixed up with my concealer. So just cleaning and fine-tuning the contour and blending it one more time. After this, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild setting powder, the compact powder. All the product details will be in the description box for you guys, so don't worry if I'm not mentioning the shade numbers or full name. Everything will be in the description box. So now again, with my favorite technique of using a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to set my foundation. This technique really works well in setting your foundation, and now it's time to set the contour. For that I'm using this palette from Glam Girls, and taking their bronzing or a bronzer color, I'm just going to bronze up my face / set my cream contour. So this color is also pretty nice, very warm, looks nice on Indian skin tone. And guys, I have started using a fan brush. I do use other brushes as well to set my contour, or just blend my contour, but fan brush also does a really good job, as it gives you a very nice precise contour. At the same time, it helps to blend your contour as well. So fan brush is a great tip. And now it's time to bake. I think I have used the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder and applying it under my eyes, so that my eyes set really well. And now using this palette from Wet n Wild, I'll mention the name, guys, don't worry, but it's a very beautiful palette. It has two beautiful warm matte brown shades, and the other shades are shimmery eyeshadows, but a very nice versatile everyday kind of palette. And if you're a beginner, you can definitely try this palette out. And all these products are so affordable, guys. Like, this palette is only $3.99, which is a great thing. Now taking a blending brush, this one is from MAC, I applied the soft brown on my crease, and now I'm going to just intensify my crease using the darker brown from the palette. And this time around I took a smaller blending brush. This one is from a brand called Pro Art. So just take your time, first deposit the color, and then slowly with a soft hand blend it. Going back with the MAC blending brush, I'm just blending the two colors together. So take your time, blend them, keep switching between your brushes so that you get the best intensity and you don't end up mixing everything together. And also, guys, always pat the color first and then go ahead and blend it. Now I'm just going to clean my crease or cut my crease in the center of the eye, since this is a halo eye makeup look. So just taking a flat stiff brush, I'm going to, as you guys can see, cut the crease in the center and fill in the space using that same cream concealer. And now I'm going with the same dark brown matte eyeshadow and applying it on both the inner and outer corner. And now taking this beautiful shimmery golden kind of eyeshadow, I'm applying it on the center where I applied the cream base. And I think I used a flat shader brush for it. That works the best. Now just intensify your corners a little more using this brown. Now since I'm sticking to this palette, so I'm using this shimmery brown, otherwise I would have taken a matte brown. And taking a small brush, lid brush, I'm just intensifying the corners and blending the two browns together so that it looks nice and nothing looks harsh. If you want, you can go even further inwards with your matte brown eyeshadow, but I just kept it more confined towards the corners instead of bringing it way too inside, because I just want my lighter color to show more since it's matching with my outfit. Now I applied this liquid glitter. I am not too sure which brand it is, guys, but I'll surely mention it. I'm so sorry. Now taking this liquid liner from Wet n Wild. It's such an amazing liquid liner. Totally love it. It's very black. It's very easy to apply. It's matte. It's just amazing. I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner. And now, like always, I'm going to smoke my lower lash line using the same matte brown eyeshadows. Applying this lighter color on my brow bone as well as my inner corner. And now it's time to mascarify our eyelashes using the Wet n Wild mascara, which again is a superb mascara. Really, really worth it. So just apply generous coats of mascara. I put on my eyelashes. I used these eyelashes from Kingdom of Lashes. Yeah, Kingdom of Lashes. And now applying blush from the same MyGlamm palette. It's a really nice peachy blush. And now for my favorite part, highlighter. This beautiful highlighter is also from Wet n Wild. And taking my small fan brush, I'm going to highlight my face. I loved this highlighter. I actually loved all the products from Wet n Wild. I really don't have any complaints with any product whatsoever. I think you guys must definitely check out Wet n Wild products. They are super affordable and they are really, really good quality. I really like them. So just highlighting my face, my highest point of my cheeks, nose, on the eyebrows, like above the eyebrows, not on the eyebrows, cupid's bow, chin, you guys know the normal drill. Sorry for that background noise, guys. And now it's time to just set everything. I'm using the Makeup Revolution makeup spray and just push everything one more time into your skin using the same damp sponge, but with a very, very gentle hand. Now using this beautiful matte liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, I'm just going to apply lipstick. It's such a beautiful color. If you guys are looking for a peachy, nudie, everyday kind of natural lipstick, go for this color. The details will be in the description box. So now the lipstick is almost on. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. It's a very glamorous yet a very soft makeup look. You can definitely pull it off for daytime, nighttime, even for an everyday event or party or any outing. And it doesn't look overboard, but it looks very glamorous and subtle at the same time. And definitely try the Wet n Wild products, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon next time. Bye.